welcome to the first part of this episode. Here in China, we're visiting the LONGi factory. We're going to explore what makes a LONGi panel and how they're different to some of the competitors on the market. We've had a great time already for the first few days we've been here. We've visited the Terracotta Warriors and we've visited some of the other sites. We're going to go for a factory tour. We can't film inside, but I'll tell you about some of the things later on. So we've just done a factory tour of the LONGi factory. We've had a look at the R&D department, and something that I'm really interested in is the difference between a back connection and a top connection. So I'm here with Sarah Wallace from LONGi. Sarah, can you just tell us a little bit more about the difference between a top con and a back connection panel?
Yeah, so LONGi has moved into the rear back contact space as we believe that is the better solution for solar modules. TopCon predominantly has all the mechanicals at the front of the module, whereas the rear back contact, everything is at the back. And what that gives us an opportunity to do is a cell optimization of that module, and we can work in better low light conditions. So it also increases the physical output power between about 30 to 40 watts of each module.
Right.
So where a TopCon might be running at 450, 460, ours will be running at 490, sort of 500 mark. So not only are you getting a higher output power, you're getting a longer warranty, you are also getting the safety features for the rear back contact. So having the mechanicals at the back allows for the electricity to move more freely through the product. So anything settling on the top of that module, whether it be bird mess or whether it be leaves, the electricity can bypass round the blockage, prolonging the life of those cells, minimizing hotspots and preventing potential fires, and prolonging the life of the module. So enhanced production, enhanced optimization, and longer lifetime that module. So we believe that this is the right route to market to go for us to be able to continue to have innovative products coming out all the time. TopCon will sort of hit a ceiling as their output power, and then the only way that they can increase in that output power is to get a physically bigger module, continue to grow, or a different cell structure.
Yeah, and I think what I've learned from being on the strip is you don't often hear how LONGi has this optimization in the cell. We tend to think there's only one other brand there that has it, but actually you've got this built in.
Yeah, patent as well.
You know, so we can generate more, and the safety feature I think you said is fantastic. So it's great to actually let our customers and our homeowners know that this panel is just as good or better than any other panel, and actually you've not lost that.
No, and LONGi, last year they've just announced the capacity of distributed modules for 2025, and LONGi hit around 19.4 gigawatt capacity, which is the biggest in the world. So you are getting the world leading module with the longest warranty, highest efficiency, and safety features for not much more in additional costs. So you know, it's looking at your solar system in a domestic capacity as an investment. You wouldn't put budget tires on a premium car, so why would you put budget solutions on your property?
Yeah, completely makes sense. Well, thanks for talking to us today, and hopefully there's been some benefits in getting an idea of the TopCon and the back connection panels and what the difference is, and hopefully our audience will take some ideas from that and move forward with it.
Thank you for visiting.
Cheers, thank you.
Thank you.